right. Mic check. All right, hold on. Something still weird. Mic check. Mic check. How we sounding? We sounding good? I think we're good now. All right. Yeah, we good. All right, cool. All right. So let me all right. Just want to make sure that we all set here. Why is my stream health so low? Minor issues? No drop frames. Alright, let's check my settings here. CBR is good. 2500. No, let's raise that. 1500. Something's not right. It says my stream health is not the best. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Why is my stream health so low? Alright, let me it might be my internet. Let me just check the server here. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna have to do that. We'll wait a couple more minutes before I get started. Oh, wow, that's what happened. Alright, hold on one second. Alright, let me know if y'all can hear me on the mic. real quick. If you guys can hear me on the mic, let me know, please. Just post in the stream chat on YouTube. It's been a while since I used YouTube streaming, but for some reason it says my stream health is like yellow. But I don't know. It looks like I'm producing at least 2,000 gigabytes per second, which is weird. I don't have any frame dropping either, and my CPU is only like 4%. So I don't know. Either way, we'll make it work. Hope you guys enjoyed some freestyle music. This is what I used to listen to every morning, every Saturday morning doing chores. Well, no, I'm lying. Every Sunday morning doing chores. That's why I always play it on Sundays. Alright, so you guys can hear me. Alright, that's cool. That's good. Alrighty. Alright, let's get started. If you guys, like I said, you're gonna need the script. If you guys need the script, just DM me if you're on the Slack or if you're on my Discord. Just DM me and I'll give you guys the script. If not, I mean, you can get it later or whatnot. We'll get that set. So, all right, so let's get it started. All right, so I just said you're gonna need a few things. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you. All right, so you're gonna need obviously the G Cloud. That's pretty much the script, all of this, and you also gonna need, hold on, you know what, let me open the zip file. Where's the zip file at? Alright, so this is the G Cloud, right? This is the folder that you're gonna need to drag into another program, and those programs will be WinSCP as well as Putty. Those are the two programs you're gonna need to install, and once you do that, we're pretty much gonna get started. Also, another thing that you're gonna need, all right, you're gonna need to get a Vultr account, which is dirt cheap. I'm gonna show you an example. All right, so make sure you guys have your browser ready. So you're gonna go to vultr.com. You're gonna log in, obviously, whatever, right? So when you log in or when you make a register account or anything like that, all right, you're gonna pretty much add a server or deploy a new server. So when you deploy a new server, choose whatever is nearest to you. So me, I live in New York, so I choose a New York, New Jersey server. And then the server type, make sure it's highlighted at 64 bits per second. I mean, 64-bit operation system, which is basically Windows. But the thing is, you're not really gonna go into the server. You're just gonna use it pretty much as a pawn for another program, which I showed you guys earlier. Alright, so hold on one second, guys. Let me make sure I got this here set. Alright, so when you click this part here, you have 8 options. You're not gonna use Windows. You're not gonna use Windows. You're just gonna use Ubuntu, which is another operation system. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on 1604 times 64, which is this. Alright. The server size, you just need to pay $5. That's it. Just pay $5 because once you do that, it pretty much takes like a few change per hour, which is really cool. As you can see here, so far I haven't been charged $1 yet, and I've been using this for almost a week now. So just showing you guys exactly how it works. It's pretty cool. All right. Now, once you get the server set, right? Once you turn it on, which I'm gonna do right now. So we're gonna turn on the server here, and don't worry about restarting server. Once you stop it, you can restart it. You can restart the server, because when you restart the server, it doesn't really affect whatever you're doing, because you're not adding any programs or anything onto it. So yeah. All right. So now that you have the server started, okay. You have your IP address, you have your username, and then you have your password. All right, those are the 3 important things. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open WinSCP. So when you open WinSCP, it will prompt you to this, to what you're looking at now. So here, this is the host name, which is basically the IP address. So we're gonna copy that. Oh wait, hold on. I'm sorry. Before you do that, guys, real quick, I want you guys to do something. I want you guys to go to cloud.google console.cloud.google.com. I'll go ahead and copy and paste the link in the chat, the YouTube chat. So there we go. You're gonna go there. All right. Obviously, you're gonna log in and whatnot. Now, if this is your first time doing it, the cool thing about this is you get a free $300 credit, and you can actually reloop it just by using a different Gmail account. So shout outs to Google for that jig. You will never have to pay for running your IPs if you do it right, of course. All right, so this part right here, this is my project. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and open that, and then we're gonna hit the plus symbol, and then we're gonna call this project, let's do proxy fly ass proxies. There we go, fly ass proxies. That's random, but whatever. All right, now that you created the fly ass proxies, you're gonna wait till it loads up. All right, that's why you want to do this first. So once you've done that, then we're gonna continue on with Win SCP, because this takes a while, and I don't really have much time because I'm trying to win that HQ money. Y'all already know. Who hit me up? Let's see here. Oh, yo, shout out to six Dust for the important post. I didn't want to post an important, you know what I mean, because I'm not a mod or anything like that. I ain't trying to get banned or try to donate or whatnot. All right, so so it looks like it's ready. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to firewall. Honestly, if you can't find the firewall, just type in firewall. Firewall settings. All right, so first app, browse. One second, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me just remember how to do this. Because the thing is, once you do it once, you guys don't really have to go through this process again. So give me 1 second. Alright, I'm just checking here. Let me be the one. Alright, so it should look like a firewall. If I recall, it should be around here somewhere. The hell are you? Firewall, VCC network. Ah, here we go. Alright, so you're gonna go on this the menu here in Google Cloud. Alright. And let me make sure that I'm not missing anything. Alright, so you're gonna go to Google Cloud. Alright, and then also, guys, if you just yes, you are right, overrated. So he is right. So what you're gonna do is you can change your name though. So just I'm just using this as an example, but he is right. Try not to use proxies or anything like that, because you may get in trouble. You are correct. So shout out to overrated for that. But we're just using this as an example, so just put whatever name that you want. It doesn't matter. Anyways, so you're gonna go to networking, and then you're gonna go to VPC network, and then you're gonna see firewall rules. All right. Now this is the part where it's getting ready, so it's gonna take a while. So while this is setting up, we're gonna go back to Win SCP, and then we're gonna log in. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use your vulture information to log in. So you're gonna copy the IP address, and then the username would be root. It's always gonna be root for you as a username, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you're just gonna copy the password, and then you're gonna log in. All right. So for me, I've already logged in. All right. So I mean, what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna do something totally different. All right, we're gonna delete this because it's already made. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm gonna use a different vulture. I might as well just do that. Yeah. So let's do that. I'm gonna use a different vulture server. So that way we can show you guys step by step, because for me it may skip something. So we're gonna stop that, and then we're gonna just start a new one. So like I said, choose wherever is nearest to you, New York. Alright. And then you're gonna hit to Ubuntu. Alright, 1604 times 64. And then $5 a month. 25 gigabytes SSD. And then you're just gonna pretty much deploy. All these additional features, blah blah blah. You don't really need that. So you're gonna deploy. Alright, now it's installing. So when it installs, it's gonna pretty much give you an IP address, and we're gonna do that. Alright, so now the good thing is, while it's doing that, let's go back to our firewall rules. You're gonna create a new firewall rule. Alright, name, just put to Fly Nation NYC. Oh, lowercase numbers, letters, of course. Fly Nation NYC. Oh, you know what? I'll just do Fly Nation TV. Alright, cool. Description, whatever. Alright, the network, whatever. Priority is 1000. Ingress, allow. And then targets, all instances and networks. So you're going to make sure all instances and networks are pretty much your targets, your IP ranges, and then the source IP range is whatever. You're just gonna put 0.0.0.0/0. All right. Protocols and ports, allow. This is none, and that's pretty much it. As you can see here, let's recap. You just put in the name, whatever name that you want. The network is default. Priority is 1000. Direction of traffic, ingress, action or match, allow. Targets has to be on all instances in the network. Source filter is IP ranges, and then the source IP ranges is 0.0.0.0/0. Those should be your settings. And one more actually, protocols and ports, allow all. Alright, and that's it. You're gonna hit create. So now it's creating. So let's go back here, and boom, we got our server setting. So let's go ahead and manage that. Server may be still finishing and installing. So it seems like it's still finishing and installing. So it's managing. Normally it's running. Alright, perfect. It's running now. So if it says running, then you're good. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and re-log in. We at least close that. I don't need that anymore. We're gonna reopen WinSCP. Why? Alright, so we're gonna copy the IP address. That is your host name. Username is obviously root, as I said before. And we're gonna copy the password and paste it here, and you're gonna log in. And this is the first time logging in, just hit yes. Perfect. Now you're in the root folder of the server, of the Vulture server, alright? Now you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna copy that G-Cloud folder, alright, which is I'm going to drag it right here from my desktop because I have two monitors, so you won't see it. But you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna actually drag the G-Cloud folder that you have. And if you don't have that folder, right, that's a script. So if you need the script, just DM me real quick. Normally the dude charges 25, but he missed like 2 major details which I had to figure out on my own. So I'm gonna let it go for 15. I think that's very fair. You know what I'm saying? Considering that I'm also teaching you guys how to do it too, you know. But I mean, you can do it later. You don't have to do it now, but because this will be it will definitely be a VOD once the stream ends, so you don't have to worry about that. But we're gonna go ahead and drag that folder into the root file, which is this part right here. So now it's uploading, it's dragging it. So when that's finished, you should see the G-Cloud folder, right? Boom. There we go. We're gonna go back. Alright, so we're gonna go back. So you should still be in root. Alright. Let me open my Windows here. Damn, who hit me up? Who hit me up? Yeah. I got you, homie. Hold on 1 second. Alright, my bad, guys. Alright. Where is my stuff? Alright, cool. Now we have G-Cloud here. Alright. The script is pretty much gonna... What I did was actually... Oh, why this is part of it? Let me delete that. So yeah, my bad. But anyways, so when you open the G-Cloud folder, you should see a README file, right? You're gonna open that. So here's how everything is set, okay? Everything is set properly just for the PuTTY, PuTTY is basically a Linux server. So we're gonna use the PuTTY server, which is actually this right here. So if you don't have PuTTY installed, you need to install PuTTY for you to use this. Alright. Now, before we continue, let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. Alright, so we don't need this anymore. We're gonna close. We're just gonna move that down. Alright, so let's get this started, right? Check this out. So we're gonna open this. This is the session here of PuTTY. Alright, so when you open that, you should have a alert. You're just gonna hit yes. And I'll move this here so you guys can see. Alright, so they're gonna ask for a password. Now, this part is very tricky. It took me a few tries, but for some reason, if you copy and paste, it says access denied. Now, for you to paste anything onto this, you need to just right click. That's it. Right click and then you will paste it. So here's what I'm going to do. Actually, let me open this again. So we're gonna copy the password here. This is the password that's needed for you to log in here. And I'm just gonna, what I do normally, I double click where the green is, the little green box right here. Alright, this will show up. Alright, so when that shows up, I just right click. See, and it says access denied. So I'll close it and I'm gonna reopen it again. Hopefully it works this time. It's really annoying. But once you get through, see? I'm right clicking, it's not working. You gotta do it a few tries. Also, what I do is I'll just highlight it here. Wait, let me open this again. This thing is like mad annoying, yo. Alright, so I copy. This thing is crazy, man. See what I'm saying? Like, this part is so annoying, and he didn't explain it into the video. Like, he didn't explain how, I don't know how he got it at one shot, but for me it took me a few tries. So I'm just gonna keep doing it until it works. What I do is, alright, so what I normally do is I open this, right? Then I copy. I'll keep pasting it. And then you get like 5 tries and then you gotta do it again. Oh my god, this is gonna be annoying. This thing is annoying, man. I don't understand. Wait, hold on. Could I just do this? Control C. Okay, that didn't work. That definitely closed. But that works. Oh, it's definitely closing it. Wait, maybe if I do Control V. Access denied. God damn it. You can't type it in, Omar. That's the crazy part. Like, you can't even type it in. See, it's still giving me access denied. It's like he doesn't explain that part at all, like how to properly do it like without any issues. See, I'm still getting access denied. Normally, like personally, like me, the most I've tried is like 20 times, and I actually end up going, you know, getting it through. They keep saying access denied. I don't understand why. That's so stupid. There we go. Finally, yo. Alright, so I got through. So let me know if you guys got through, man. Jesus Christ, that's annoying. Alright, so I'm gonna wait a bit. I don't wanna leave you guys behind. You know, let me know if you guys got through this part. But like I said, just try to like double click it and just right click the password. And if you guys can get through, we can get it, you know, we can continue. So if you know you got through, like right here, this will say welcome to Ubuntu, all this stuff. It'll tell you the document management support, 119 packages can be updated, 55 updates are security updates, all that stuff, you know. So let me know, because look, well, I'm gonna tell you, once you get through this part, everything would be like smooth sailing. Alright, if you guys got through, let me know, man. Type it in the chat. Or I don't even know if you guys are even following me doing that. I'm gonna give you guys about 5 minutes, because like I said, I gotta wrap this up by 9 o'clock, because I still have things to do. Did you guys get a W today for the Jeters? Yeah, Max, I understand. You're fine, but like I said, it's still a VOD. So, alright, no problem, guys. Alright, so we'll continue. Alright, so you remember that README file that we opened? We're gonna go ahead and go back to it. Everything is very simple, alright? Everything is list for you to copy and paste. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're gonna do APT update. We're gonna just copy it, and all you gotta do is just paste it here and then hit enter, and you can see it's easier now. You can copy and paste without an issue, but when it comes to putting the password in, I don't know. Alright, so that part is done, and then when you see root at vulture, you're just gonna do this part. You're gonna copy exactly how you see here, and then you're gonna paste it here, and then you're gonna hit enter. Alright, let it do its work. This one's gonna take a little bit, but we'll figure it out. We'll get it ready. Hope you guys got a W on the Jeters. I got a W on the Jeters. I actually like them. They're not bad. I mean, maybe it's a New York in me. I don't know. I just wish it was mids, man. Remember last year for Father's Day? Like they wanted to go all the way up in the Bronx just to do a lotto. Yeah, you bugging. All right, so it's still unpacking. So like I said, the progress, you see the progress bar on the bottom. But yo, shout outs to Supreme ATC. Shout outs to all my Fly Nation people out there. This is just a private stream. I don't want to do it publicly, to be honest, because everybody gonna be like, yo, where you gonna get the package and all that stuff. And also, you know, businesses like proxy service providers, you know, people that does this as a business, they usually knock me for that, even though I really don't care. But out of the art, you know, maybe for the game and for the love of the game. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know you guys probably want to do a little business yourself doing proxies, and this is actually one of the best way to do it. I am going to be working on trying to get some UK proxies, because you could make them. I just don't know, like, I gotta figure some things out on how to do it. So 6 dust, they can suck it. Nah, but chill though, man. Yo, Leaf proxies has been doing their thing. Turbo's been doing their thing. Even Proxy Pass has been okay. I need to figure out how to do Chicago proxies. I heard Chicago proxies, like, they cooked hard yesterday. Oh, this is one of my favorite songs right here. Information Society. I used to listen to this every Sunday morning when I was a kid. Alright, it's almost done, y'all. It's almost done. This is only the second part. But trust me, once, like I said, this part is like pretty simple. The way I have it set up is you know, it's pretty simple stuff. So I'm just gonna do this. 4. Gonna do 5. 6. 7. There we go. I mean, yeah, it should be the cook, but I don't know, man. It's just tricky, man. And I don't think there's I don't ever see a actual, I don't know. It's really weird. It's weird. Because I think even though Shopify servers are in Canada, but I think they branch out. I don't know the details on that. It's really weird. But Chicago cooked, man. Jesus Christ, man. Chicago, they ate yesterday. I was so close. I got out of stock declined, then I got captured, man. I gotta figure out how to like get some like infinite tokens or something, man. Alright, so this is almost done. So in the meantime, I'm gonna copy this part, and we're gonna go ahead and paste it since it's ready. Alright, so part 3, paste it here by right clicking it and hit enter. I'll let that load up. Alright, so that one is loading up. Now this next part, right? We're gonna add this part here, the bash. You're gonna edit it. So here's what I mean by that. Eve supports captcha. Have Eve been cooking for you though? Oh, so 2 captcha, right? So you can buy. Yeah, go. I gotta get Eve. I want to try Eve. If I can get Eve and cook on it, it's a wrap. All right, so let's get back to this. All right, so we're gonna do part 4 here. This one. Wait, hold on. Let me do this right, because I don't want you to get confused. Because this next part after that, we're gonna edit something. Right? We're gonna edit. Oh snap! I got promoted from waitlisted. I got pair number 2. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, guys. Hold on 1 second. I got promoted from waitlisted at Times Square. Anybody want a size 10? I have like an hour and a half left, so that's cool, man. I got promoted. Okay. I might have to pass. So that's 2 of my duplicates, by the way. That's 2 duplicate accounts from champs, and I actually hit on both of them. That's a good sign. Alright, anyway, so let's continue. So I've already copied nano / bash rc. So we're gonna already paste it. We're gonna hit enter. Alright, so you're gonna get to this part here, right? All you gotta do is you're gonna just keep going down until the end of it. You're gonna keep going down. See, now you're at the end. You're gonna hit enter once so you can make a space, and then you're gonna actually have to copy all 3 of these here. All right, you're gonna copy all 3 of them, and then you're gonna paste. All right, now you do not hit enter. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit. Oh, it's my girl texting me. Hold on 1 second. All right. You're gonna hold Control and X, right? And then on the bottom is gonna say Save Modified Buffer. You're gonna type yes, and then hit enter. Oh, you're gonna type Y, then hit enter. All right, now it's saved. Cool. All right. So here's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna install the Google Cloud, right? This is the part where we're gonna install the Google stuff. So we're gonna continue on doing some good stuff here. We're gonna export. Gonna copy. Gonna paste. Then you're gonna copy this part here. Then you're gonna paste. You're gonna keep doing it until the second to last one. Alright. Alright, for the third one, it'll go to the next section, so you don't even have to hit enter. Alright, then you're gonna do this part, and then you're gonna get the update. And hit enter. Oh wait, and then we got one more. I think we got one more. Alright. Then, oh, okay, never mind. You actually go through all of that. And then, once you go to this part, G-Cloud, init. You're gonna hit enter. Why? Nah, something's not right. Something's not right. Oh boy. Ah. Shit. Ah, come on, man. This is the worst. You want it? All right, hold on. I got you, homie. Let me figure this out, man. I misquote. I definitely missed that part, right? Did I miss that? How did I miss that? No way I should have missed that. Let's do that one more time. Let's see. All right. Then it should ask for update. Oh my god, I think I missed that part. Fuck, man. How did I miss that? I know I copied it, dude. Alright, no worries. We're gonna run it back. Well, I'm gonna do it back. Can't believe I missed that part. Oh wow, see, now I'll get it the first time. Alright, so I already saved everything, but yeah, see, it says 0 packages could be updated. That's good. So once everything is updated, I already got this saved, but just in case, I'm just gonna copy and paste here. Just want to make sure that we're good. And if it's not there, then I'll add it. Alright, so it's there. So alright, cool. So now let's do this one more time. Let me make sure the quote is there. Yeah, the quote is there now. There we go. See? Normally, once you put that in, it will ask for root voucher. So, good catch, guys. Good catch. So, yep. Once you paste it, it'll automatically go to root voucher. So, we're in the right path now. Good catch, yo. Good catch, man. You're the real MVP right now. See, there we go. Now it's receiving all the good stuff. Then we're gonna hit update. There we go. There we go. We got this. Oh man, who hit me up? All right, so now this part is done. We're gonna go to this one. We're gonna update that. All right, let it do its thing. Who hit me up just now? All right, cool. And then one last thing. We're gonna go ahead and copy this. And then we're gonna hit enter. And then it's gonna give you, it says you must log in to continue. Would you like to log in? You're gonna hit yes. All right, now, what it means by logging in, it is basically saying on your Google, you're just gonna confirm it. All right, so well, here's what we're gonna do. Right, we're gonna just copy this, and for you to copy it, you gotta hit Control, Shift, and C. All right, now it's gonna bump you back out here. That's fine. Don't worry about that. Oma, yes, it does. That's the good thing about it. Once you get through this part, all you gotta do, which I'll show you right after, is this one simple thing, and you're good to go. So it saves all of that. That's why it's important for you to have Vultr server, because that's what the server is doing, is making sure that you're good on that end. All right. Anyways, so I already copied it, and we're gonna go ahead and paste that link that it gave us. All right. It's gonna tell you to sign in. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in, and we're gonna allow it, and then it's gonna give you this to copy. So we're gonna copy all of this. All right. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Hold on. Before you do that, guys, you gotta put this in again, and you're gonna hit enter. All right, and then you're gonna hit login. You're gonna hit yes. All right. Then don't worry about this because it's the same code. You're gonna put in the verification code, which is this right here. So you're gonna copy, and then you're gonna paste it, and hit enter. So now you're logged in. All right. So, now I was gonna tell you pick a cloud project to use, right? So remember what we did, right? We did fly as proxies. I didn't change the name, but I'm gonna change the name soon because it's on my account. But we're gonna go ahead and pick that one. We're gonna hit 1, and then it'll ask you, do you want to configure a default compute region and zone? You're gonna hit yes. All right, now the zone that you want to be in, personally, like I said, you can make, I think I know what to do now with this. I think I know how to make proper UK servers, but I'm gonna get to that a little later. That's something different. I'm gonna test that first, and then I'll teach you guys later. But anyways, VA servers is US East 4A, so you're gonna type in 6. All right, now cool. Once you set that up, you're good to go, and then we're going to continue on with that. Who just text me? All right. Sorry, I'm just like my throat is killing me, man. All right, so once you go past that part, yes, this is gonna be uploaded, so you can rewatch it. But I'm just showing you guys an example on how to do it. I'm a little bit in a rush, but I'm gonna make sure everything is good to go, so you can just do your thing, bro. I understand, do your thing. But anyways, I'm gonna pretty much show you guys step by step, and if you guys have any questions, there's always feel free to hit me up if you're on the Discord or the Slack. All right, anyways, don't add the quotations here. You're gonna copy this and you're gonna paste it here. All right, and it'll tell you which one you want to choose. It doesn't tell you here, which, like I said, he doesn't tell you that, but you're just gonna type in 2. Just type 2, hit enter. All right, Now you're gonna go ahead and edit something. You're gonna scroll all the way down to the end. You're gonna type in enter just to make a space, and then you're gonna copy all of this. God damn it. Alright. You're gonna copy that, paste it just by right clicking as I said earlier. And you're gonna hit enter. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, you don't hit enter. You're gonna hit hold control and type X. You're gonna type in Y because you're gonna save the changes, and you're gonna hit enter. So now it's saved. And that's it. Alright, now you set up, everything is set up perfectly. And here's the cool part about it. You do not have to go through this crap again. Unless you want to change the actual Google server. But normally you can make new ones, right? You could create a new project and you can do all that over again, which is cool. Alright, so here is how to make the proxies. Now you got through the hard part. We're going to go through the easy part. Now, you only allow up to 8 proxies. That's how much they allow you to do, but you can request more, and I'm going to show you guys that right after I'm done making these proxies. So, do anybody want to test proxies? Do anybody have time to test something? If so, let me know. I'll make some proxies for you guys, and you can test them. So here's what we're going to do. For you to make the proxies, all you got to do is type in Google hyphen create. Alright, Omar. Omar, you're on my Discord, right? I don't know your actual screen name by that name. So if you are, then alright, so I got you 6 and I got you Omar. I got both of y'all. Alright, so just type in Google/create. Google hyphen create. Google dash create. Alright, Omar, I got you. So Google/create. I'm sorry, Google-create. That's what you're gonna do. Alright, you're gonna type in enter, and they're gonna ask you which data center proxies you want to make. Alright, now we're in VA, so we're gonna type in 2. And then how many would you like to create? Now, as I said, at the start, you only max out at 8 proxies, I believe. But you can request for more, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. Alright, so we're gonna type in 8. And it's going to create the proxies. It's going to wait for a little bit and you're good to go. Alright, so that was fast, right? See how it creates the proxies? Oh, snap. Alright, my bad, y'all. My bad. I missed a step. It's nothing bad. We're actually gonna go back here. We're gonna close this. We don't need this anymore. And we're gonna hit yes. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. We're gonna actually go to config. This is right here. You're gonna change your username. So we're gonna put Fly Nation TV. All has to be lowercase, and you can just put in fly 1 1 2 3. Let's do 1 1 2 4 or something. All right, cool. So everything else you leave the same. Oh snap! I think I made. Hold on, 1 second. You're gonna go back here. I know I missed something. Nothing bad. We're gonna edit something. Oh, I can't edit that? It's already made? Alright, no worries. So, I'm gonna delete this one. We're gonna make a new one. And I'm an idiot. I should have did that part. So, Open 3128 should be the name of when you create the firewall rule. Alright, everything else it's gonna be the same. So you're gonna change all instances network source IP 0.0.0.0/0. and gonna type none, allow all, and I think that's it. So open 3128. That's that should be the firewall rule. So now it's creating. All right, so my bad on that. Another thing too, guys, while it's doing that, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the instances, because if you want to know if your proxies are made, best way to check is you go to compute engine, and then you go to VM instances. Alright, boom. So these are already made, but I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete them for a reason. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so we're gonna delete those. I don't need those. We're gonna make a new ones. Alright, so now it's deleting those. Alright, so my bad on that. I didn't realize that part. So we're gonna go back to here. We already had the username and password already made. So now we're gonna do is we're gonna type in Google dash create. We're gonna make new ones. All right, we're gonna put 2, then we're gonna put 8. Now I think we're good now on that. And it's not gonna take that long, so. But we don't need this anymore. We already got the code. Alright, so once that's already made. Oh my god, I'm an idiot, man. I didn't even save it. I didn't even save it. We're gonna run it back for a 3rd time. Like when you're in a rush and you do things. So we're gonna delete this again. Hold on, it's only 7? I made 8. I'm pretty sure I made 8. Oh, okay. I see what happens. So I'm gonna wait till all of these get. You gotta wait till all of these get deleted, because what happens is I think one was still active while in deletion. So we're gonna wait till that's over. But now we saved it, so that's cool. So I'm gonna wait till all those get deleted. Normally you can just refresh, and because it usually deletes one by one. So let's give it a time, give it a little bit. It's gonna delete, and then once it's deleted, then we'll start again. Ah, man. Usually if I had like more free time, I usually like get it over and done. You know, I take my time, but sometimes I may skip a step or two. You know, it is what it is. Trying to delete. I don't know if it's deleting or not. I hope I ain't mess up. Alright, so it's all deleted. Good. Alright, now what we're gonna do, now that I saved it, we're gonna do it for the 3rd time. You know, 3rd time's the charm. Google/create 2. We're gonna make 8 proxies. Now, if everything goes according to plan, we should be good, and I'll go ahead and have you guys test it out real quick. Please have your proxy tested. Whatever you use to test your proxies, make sure you guys are already set and prepared. I'll give you guys 4 each. Boom, it's already done. Now, here's the cool part. It actually turns into a notepad. I mean, yeah, a notepad file. So all you gotta do is just refresh here, and then boom, it opens up. There you go. Those are your proxies. Now, we're gonna test them, obviously. So let me just refresh that just to make sure it's already set. And alright, 8 proxies are set. Now, Omar, let me go ahead and hit you up. Here you go, 4 for you. And 6 dust. 6 dust. Cool, 6 dust. Alright, let me go ahead and give you yours. Novelli, you can have them run all for as long as you. I mean, you can pretty much have them run for all of them. Jonathan, G-Cloud, I already sent you the file, I believe. Didn't I send you the file? Yeah, I sent you the file. Everything is there. The G-Cloud folder, that's what you're gonna drag into the Win SCP. And yeah, what I was saying, Lan, basically, you can run as long as you want. That's the cool part about it. 6. Where are you? Here we go. Go ahead and try those out. Let me know how they work. Alright, while you guys are testing that, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to expand your quota, because this right now, your quota, once you get it started, your quota will be maxed out at 8 IPs and 24 CPUs. What you gotta do is, you want your IP to max your the amount of IPs that you have. You want it to max, not max, what do I want to say? Alright, the amount of IPs you have, you want it to be the same amount as the amount of CPUs. So let's say if I'm requesting for 100 IPs, I need to make sure I have 100 CPUs as well, because right now for CPUs you're maxed out at 24, which I'll show you. You know what? Let me just show you guys, for example. Alright, so you're gonna go to quotas, right? And you're gonna hit I am admin and quotas page. Alright, now you can see right here your IPs is maxed out at 8, as I said before, but your CPUs is at 24. Basically, each IP, it uses a CPU. So right now it's using 8 CPUs for 8 IPs, as I showed you guys. So all you got to do is, if you want to make sure that you're on the right server, you want to just go to US East 4. Alright, just highlight that alone, so that way you don't get confused. Alright, yeah, 6. Yes, also guys, when you test your IPs, try not to test all of them at once. Test each one of them single, like, test each one one by one. Alright, that's that's the most important thing. Just test one by one. And because remember, you're not using all of those IPs for one test. You know, each IP has its own task, obviously. So you want to make sure you test one by one. So yeah, so that sounds about good. These are done in VA, by the way. Ashburn. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and highlight these two, right? You're gonna highlight these two, you're gonna edit your quota. Alright, cool. So it has my information, I'll put my number in. And you're gonna hit next. Now they're gonna ask you your quota limit for your IP and your quota limit for CPUs. Alright, so let's say I'm gonna do 50 because I'm not gonna use this as much. So I'm gonna use 50 quotas on both. And then personally, the reason that you wanna do this, and I'm just gonna be real honest right now, put in something like BS, right? You wanna do something like create proxies. I'm sorry, create proxy server for data scrapping. Scrapping is 2. Oh, shout out to SSY. Alright, so for data scrapping for marketing purposes. That's it. Just give them like a description that's like reasonable, that's pretty much BS. So yeah, so you're gonna submit your request, and usually you get a response within a few hours. So yeah, so like for example, I'm gonna show you guys how much I have. Alright, we're gonna go to quotas. Alright, we're gonna go to obviously the server that I'm using. So CPUs is 3,000. That's my quota right now. And IPs, it says 300, but I'm pretty sure 3,000 should be my hold hold on, let me see something here. Let me edit some quotas here. It says current limit is at 300. Alright, so we're gonna do this one more time. Alright. Let me make it at 3000. My CPU got approved, but I don't think my IP got approved. Alright, we're gonna hit done and submit request. Alright, so I made a request here. And yeah, I think we're done. But let me show you how to turn it off, by the way. You're gonna go to here again. Alright. And you're gonna go to your instances. So like I said, if you don't know what your instances are, you go to compute engine, VM instances, and it should show. And I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna shut it off right now, by the way, guys. It's gonna delete. Another thing too is once you already got your server, your IPs made, you can actually shut this off. You don't really need this anymore. So you can shut off PuTTY. You don't need that anymore because the IPs are already made. Only if you need to make more IPs or more proxies, as you want to say, then you can activate it, and then you can shut this off too. We don't need that anymore. So it's running, and we're gonna go ahead and stop the server. And yeah, that's it, man. That's how you make the proxies, yo. Simple stuff, yo. Simple stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set up I'm just gonna go ahead and set up some phones for HQ. It's big money night. Alright, so using the proxies, your Google has to be on. If you create your proxies already and you're not gonna create anymore, you can shut off your vulture. You don't need to use that anymore. If you're gonna, you're just wasting money if you're gonna keep it running. So you don't need vulture once you already have your proxies made. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, yo. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up. I'm gonna go ahead and play some HQ, and I wish you guys the best of luck on that if you're playing. And it's your boy D Nice. I hope you guys learned something. And yeah, man, I mean, it was really cool, man. Definitely good teaching you guys. I'm definitely gonna do some more stuff. Like I'm gonna do KIF next on how to make some accounts on that. Once I get used to that. Same thing with Nike servers. I mean Nike accounts as well. So just stay tuned for that a little bit later. Anyways, yo, it's your boy D Nice, and I'm out. Peace.